Hello, friends. This is Rebecca Suerdieck with your next installment of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour. This week in 1897, veterans gathered at Magruder to remember the birthday of General Lee. Local public schools were closed so that anyone who wished to attend would be able to honor members of the camp and their families. This week in 1910, the APVA met to discuss ideas on restoring the colonial capital. They also proposed the construction of a road from Williamsburg to Yorktown to Jamestown. This road was eventually built and is now known as the Colonial Parkway. This Glance at the Past has been brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, where hometown history comes alive, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck. Thanks for listening.